Hello dear students, welcome back again to the math class of standard 5. We are discussing chapter number 11, area and its boundary. In the previous session, we studied up to the topic check your guess. Today let's continue with the topic practice time. In this topic, some word problems are given. We have to find out area, perimeter, sides and length, etc. in this word problem. So let's start with the question A. Here question A. Arbaz plans to tile his kitchen floor with green square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 cm. That means tile is square. His kitchen is 220 cm in length and 180 cm wide. Now question is how many tiles will he need? So students, here we need to find out first area of tile, then area of kitchen, and when we divide area of kitchen by the area of tile, we will get the number of tiles will he need. So let's solve this sum. Now let's find out area of tile. So area of tile is equal to side into side. So 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter is equal to 100 square centimeter is the area of tile. Now let's find out the area of kitchen. Kitchen is rectangle, so here we will use formula of rectangle. Area of the kitchen, length into breadth. So here length is given 220 centimeter and width is 180 centimeter. So 220 centimeter into 180 centimeter. If we multiply 220 by 180, we will get 39,600 square centimeter. Now let's find out how many tiles he needs. Area of kitchen divided by area of tile. So what is the area of kitchen? Area of kitchen is 39,600 square centimeter and area of tile is 100 square centimeter. So this 0 cancel. So how many total tiles need? 396 tiles he need. Now let us move on to the next question. Here question number B. The fencing of a square garden is 20 meter in length. How long is one side of the garden? Student, here the length of fencing of garden is equal to 20 meter. That is perimeter. We can say that length of the fencing is equal to perimeter of square grid. So we can find out the side of the garden by using the formula of finding out perimeter. Let's solve this sum. Length of the fencing is equal to perimeter of square grid. So here we can use the formula to find out perimeter. So perimeter of square is equal to 4L, that means 4 into length. Here perimeter is given 20 meter. 4 and length is not given, that we have to find out here. So 4L, here is given 4 into L. But when we interchange 4 to the left side, 20 will be divided by 4. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to length. When we divide 20 by 4, we will get 5. So length is 5. 5 meter long is one side of the garden. Question C. A thin wire 20 centimeters long is formed into a rectangle. If the width of this rectangle is 4 centimeters, what is its length? Here thin wire 20 centimeters long is formed into a rectangle. That means this is perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 20 centimeters. So here we have to use the formula to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So let's solve this sum. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here perimeter is given 20 meter is equal to 2 and length is not given, so we will write here L only, plus breadth is given 4 centimeter and here 20 centimeter. So here 2 will interchange to the left side, so 20 divided by 2 is equal to L plus 4 centimeter. And if we divide 20 by 2, we will get 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter is equal to L plus 4 centimeter. So 10 is equal to length plus 4 centimeter. So when we interchange 4 centimeter to the left side, it will be minus from 10. So 10 centimeter minus 4 centimeter is equal to length. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 centimeter is equal to length. So here length is 6 centimeter. Question number D. A square carom board has a perimeter of 320 centimeter. How much is its area? Student, here is asked area, and for area we need the value for side, means the value for length, but here value for length is not given, so we will find out the length by using the formula to find out the perimeter of a square. So let's find out this. So perimeter of square carom board is equal to 320 centimeter. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into L, means 4 into length. Here perimeter is given 320 centimeter is equal to 4L. Here 320 centimeter, and here 4 will interchange to the left side. So 320 divided by 4 is equal to length. So 4 8s are 32. If we divide 320 by 4, we will get 80 centimeter. Is the length of the carom board. Now we got the length of the carom board, so we can find out the area of carom board. Now let's find out the area of carom board. Area of the carom board is equal to length into length. So length is 80 centimeter that we have found out. So 80 centimeter into 80 centimeter. So 8 8s are 64 and 2 zeros. So 6400 square centimeter is the area of the carom board. Now let's move on to the next question. How many tiles like the triangle given here will fit in the white design? So here we have to find out number of tiles like the triangle given here need in the white design. So if you count here total 1 2 3 4 triangles are there, and here this full square, that means this triangle is half of the centimeter square, that means here 2 triangles. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 6 triangle will fit in the white design. Now here is asked area of design is equal to dash square centimeter, and here clue is given this triangle is half of the centimeter square. This triangle is half of the centimeter square, that means 2 triangle will make 1 centimeter square. So here how many triangles are given? 4 triangles. So 4 half triangle will make 2 square centimeter. Here 1 full square is given, so 1. So 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here answer is area of design is equal to 3 square centimeter. Now here question is make your own designs of area 4 and 6 square centimeter. Here area 4, that means you have to use 8 triangles to make design, and here 6 square centimeter, that means you have to use 12 triangles to make this design. So student, here is the end of this session. Practice this all the questions in your math notebook. Thank you.